You dare walk away from me. And don't tell me you're sorry. And don't tell me to let it go. God knows I'd like to. I wish I could. But I can't. I can't forget that we had something. And you're running away. You're running away from something I've searched for my entire life. Why? Because you're scared. I'm scared too. But what you and I have is worth fighting for. We could make it work. I'm not saying it would be easy, but I care about you. And underneath all of this bravado, I know you care about me too. And that's what it's all about. It's the human experience. You can deny it all you want, but you are denying the simple and wonderful fact that you are emotional, vulnerable, and alive. This is a really good quesadilla, by the way. Can you honestly stand there and tell me that I mean nothing to you? That you feel... Stop making face, Kate. That you feel nothing? Everything that happened that night was a lie? I'll move on. I'll find someone else. Because I will know that I tried. I did everything I could. One day, you'll look back and you'll realize what you threw away, and you'll regret it. Always.